Hello students. Today I am going to tell you about the type of matter mixtures. As we know, on the basis of composition, matter can be classified into three types: elements, compounds, and mixtures. We have already learnt about the element and compounds. Now mixture. As we know, mixture is an impure substance. And it may be defined as the substances obtained by the mixing of two or more than two substances is in any proportion is called mixture. It means mixture is obtained by mixing different substances. For example, air is the mixture of different gases. Soil contains different types of substances. Seawater contains a number of salt and water. Alloy, mixture of metal and non-metal. Water sugar solution, I mean sarbat. Milk, blood, etc. Now, properties of mixture. In mixture, constituents do not combine chemically. As compound constituents combine chemically, in the case of mixture, constituents do not combine chemically. In compound, as if we compare, as in compounds, constituents do not retain their property, but in the case of mixture, constituents retain their properties. Constituent of mixture can be separated by using simple physical processes. We can separate the constituent of mixture by simple physical processes like filtration, sublimation, evaporation, etc. There is no change in the temperature during preparation of mixture. When we prepare a mixture, change in temperature does not take place. The composition of mixture is not constant, it is variable. In compound, composition of constituents is constant. They are in fixed proportion, but in a mixture is variable. We can prepare a mixture by mixing any amount of different substances. Mixtures do not have melting point and boiling point. Mixtures do not have a fixed boiling point and melting point. Fixed melting point and boiling point. Now, types of mixtures. Mixtures are of two types. On the basis of mixing of constituents, we can classify a mixture into two types: homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Now, I am going to define both types one by one. Homogeneous mixtures. The mixtures in which constituent substances are completely mixed together and are not indistinguishable from one another are called homogeneous mixture. It means in homogeneous mixture, constituents are mixed together throughout the mass and they are not distinguishable. We can not separate them, distinguish them. Example: salt water mixture solution, water alcohol solution, water lemon juice solution, alloy, seawater, soda water, soft drinks, etc. are examples of homogeneous mixtures. Second one, heterogeneous mixture. The mixture in which constituent substances remain separate and one substance is spread throughout the other substance as small particles, droplets, bubbles are called heterogeneous mixture. In heterogeneous mixture, constituents are separated. They are visible separately. and they are one constituent of heterogeneous mixture is spread as the small, very small suspended particles, droplets, or in the form of bubbles. We can understand this type of mixture by observing sugar sand mixture, चीनी और बालू का mixture. Polluted air. In polluted air, dust particles and carbon particles are suspended in the air. Milk. In milk, water and component of milk are mixed and a distinguishable layer is visible. Petroleum. It is a mixture of different types of hydrocarbons. Blood. It is also a mixture of different types of constituents like plasma, WBC, RBC, and platelets. Dyes, rung, butter, creams, hair spray, fog, etc. are an example of heterogeneous mixture. Now, in next class, we discuss about homogeneous mixture, its property, and other things. Thanks.